Hi, my name is Scott Schramm. I'm Vice President of Sales for Continental Access Control. And today we're going to discuss the integration and implementation of the FIPS TWIC CAT card compliancy with Continental Access Control and how we integrate those cards and put them into the Continental system in a seamless, very simple manner. To start with, the FIPS TWIC CAT cards are the 75-bit to 200-bit federally issued card formats that we can very simple with the CodeBench software integrate into the Card Access 3000. What we do to start off with is we actually take our enrollment reader here, we insert the FIPS TWIC or CAT card into the enrollment reader. At that point in time, it will then say, okay, it's a good card, and then ask for a 6-digit PIN. We then put our 6-digit PIN into the PIN pad. That will let the card know that it is a good person and you are the right person with that belonging to that card. At that time, you will then present your fingerprint for an authentication. That way the card knows it belongs to you. With the authentication then, you put your insert the card, put your 6-digit PIN, put your biometric fingerprint on. The card now is automatically then enrolled into the Card Access 3000 software. You go to the personnel screen and we go to the PIV portion of the personnel screen. The PIV portion of the screen will automatically then have inserted the person's name, the badge credential, the site number, and the agency code all in one swoop, that which is done seamlessly. At that time then, the federal agency code will come up, the origination code, the date, authentication of the card, and the card is now in. Once the card has been inserted and we've got the badge credential, the first name, the last name, and the ID of the personnel, we then have to go to one last step, and that is assign it to an access group. Once we've assigned the card to an access group, then it can then work on the Continental Access system. Another feature part of the Card Access 3000 that comes standard with all of our CA 3000-5 software packages is our web interface. The web interface can work from any PC, any computer, any iPad, Android, iPhone device that's on the market today. Basically, we have an HTTP site available. We can now web into the software. With that, we can do managed access. We can control the system from afar, where we can see activity. We can add cards, delete cards, open doors, close doors, run reports. Basically, we can do whatever features we're looking for through the web interface. That way now we can have a managed access. We can also control our doors. Basically, we now have a capability of using the software from afar to control what we need to control in the Card Access 3000. Thank you very much for listening in on this presentation talking about the HSPD12, the FIPS to TWIC, the CAT card compliancy and enrollment on our web interface and how we're able to use the web and our remote devices to get into the Card Access 3000 software. If you have any further questions, needs, or information, please do not hesitate to call one of our Card Access 3000 Continental Access employees or look us up on the web at www.cicaccess.com. Again, this is Scott Schramm. Thank you very much.